I'm a few weeks late on this, but what's up, everybody? I'm going to show you what's in the Bank and Creek tackle kit from Lurenet. This is for July and August, and yeah, I'm a little late. I had my timing off on it. I got it probably a week or so ago, and I kind of forgot that it was for July. I was thinking it's for August. But right now it's really hot outside, and there's some lures in here that I think are just what is recommended if you're doing some creek and river bank fishing, or just fishing ponds or anything. There's lures in here that got a little bit of something for everybody, and there's got some cool ones. So I'll show you what's in there. We're starting off with the drawing by Frank Scalish on this jointed jitterbug, and that's exactly what we have. Arbogast jointed jitterbug 2.0. It's a color of blue kill. Really cool looking lure right there. I'm hoping to catch some fish on that because that thing looks awesome. It's got some super cool detail in the coloration. We got a Norman middle end. This is a custom color, lavender tiger shad. And it's a 7 to 9 foot diver. Pretty cool looking lure right there. I like that purple and white bottom. That's nice. Next up, a Booyah Pond Magic Buzz in a grasshopper color. And this is a small buzz bait. I haven't used one this small or caught a fish on one this small, so I'm excited to try that out. Pond Magic Buzz. It's a 1/8 ounce. That looks really interesting to try, and especially in some of those creeks that I've been getting on a few fish with buzz bait. But as it's getting really hot, I think this thing could do really well. And if you want to downsize a little more, we got a Rebel Teeny Pop R, and it's a custom color on it. Special Ops. It's got some red, and it looks like it's got fish scales the way it looks on there. It's the smaller of the Pop R's, the teeny. There's a few soft plastics in here. First one is Yum Ribbon Tail. The color is Tequila Sunrise. And everybody's seen, kind of ribbon tail worms before, but this one is a 7.5 inch. I used to use something very similar to this when I fished this pond near me all the time. And it used to kind of be my go-to, and then I started fishing creeks a lot more and kind of got away from these bigger lures like this, but these things definitely work. We got another similar one. This is the Yum Thumpin' Dinger in Junebug color. It's like the Yum Dinger except with just a little bit of a tail on there. Like that. It's a 6-inch one. And last lure is the Yum Spine Crawl Bama Magic. A very good versatile lure. One I probably should pick up a little more, especially for targeting some bigger bass. But there's also a couple things that come in the packs. We got some weights, tungsten worm weights, 3/16 and 1/4 ounce. So a couple of tungsten in each pack there to put on there. And obviously you need some hooks to hook that up. And we got a set of hooks here, some 3/0 wide gap hooks. And there's 5 of those in there, so you got everything you need. Kind of fish some slow stuff. You got a faster crank. You got 3 topwater lures, and the one I gotta catch a fish on is this jitterbug, because I used to fish a jitterbug there's this one house we lived at. It actually had a pond real close, and I would throw a black and yellow jitterbug. I was like 12 probably, on the shallow end of this pond. In the evening, I did it I don't remember how many times. If I thought about it, right when it was getting dark in the summer, I'd go down there in the shallow end, and it was good for at least one fish. I would just kind of pull it through there as it was getting dark. I remember a couple times it was being dark and I couldn't even see it, and I'd hear it blow up on them. And this one's I think this is kind of made more for night fishing, and maybe the whole lure itself is, but good little kit right here. Everything, you can get all this at lurenet.com. Also, when you get the kit, it comes with, I think, a discount code inside, plus some stickers. I'm going to be trying to do a video and using it, catching fish. I got a couple ideas where to go. Maybe I'll hit a few different places and try to get a fish on each one of them. So you can go pick this kit up at lurenet.com. Also, you can get on there and shop. There's lots of different lures on there and a lot of stuff that I use. Also, I have a discount code, Dalton15. You can use it, I believe, on this, and should be on anything that's on there. unless there's something on sale. But if you're looking for, I've been using the crick hoppers. It's a good time to use those. Of course, yum dingers, or if you're looking for a certain color of a lure, it's going to have it on there if it's not in stores. So there you go. If you're needing some lures, I know some I'd recommend.